Hi everybody, it's Thomas here from Thomas Fitzgerald Photography. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're back with another Lightroom quick tip. So today I want to talk about the color grading tool, and the color grading tool, which you will find here in the develop module. If you scroll down, the color grading tool is one of my favorite tools, and I've used this quite a lot, especially in some of my own presets. So for example, if you look over here, this is my Filmlux Classic preset pack, which shameless plug. So if I click on, say, this one, you can see I have used the color grading tool to kind of warm up the image and give it kind of a nice warm glow. So let me just reset that, like so. So one of the interesting things about the color grading tool is this is the default layout. So if I was to adjust the midtones here like so, and adjust the shadows like that, for example, this can be quite effective at kind of color toning the individual parts of your image. But there's another section to the color grading tool that I think a lot of people actually either don't know about or do know about but have kind of completely forgotten about. And I include myself in that because I regularly forget about this. So say for example you want to give this an overall tint. If you look at the top of the panel here, you see this little three circle thing. So that's the view we're on now, but you can go in and see each of these large like so. And it also gives you kind of more granular control over things if you use them, if you see them big. But there's another control down here at the end. If you click on this one, this is the global control, and this doesn't show up in the three-way. So like I said, most people kind of forget about that. So if I wanted to give this an overall warm tone, like you would think you would see in autumn, I can just do something like this. I know this is probably a little bit over the top, but again, I'm doing this just for demonstration purposes. And you can see how effective that is. Like otherwise you'd have to be kind of dragging all three, but why do that when you have this control? Like I said, it's one of those things you just forget about because everybody, I'd say most people probably just leave it on the default. I totally forgot about this until I used it recently, and I was like, oh yeah, that'll make a good video. And here we are. So anyway, that is a very short quick tip. So we're living up to the quick part of this quick tip series. And I hope you have found this useful. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.